Lee Solicitor for Ballymun Community Law Centre. Over the past number of weeks, many tenants have seen a significant reduction in their income or indeed have lost their jobs altogether. They've been contacting us regarding their tenancy rights. At the end of March, the government passed emergency legislation which extends from the 22nd of March to the end of June, and is likely to be extended further than that, which prevents landlords from evicting tenants, and it also outlaws the raising of rent during the period. The legislation applies to all private rental accommodation, including rooms to rent, digs and student accommodation, and indeed accommodation provided by approved housing bodies. If the landlord evicts a tenant illegally during this period, and all evictions, with the exception of an eviction where a determination notice was served prior to the 22nd of March and a determination secured in the Residential Tenancy Board. So for the vast majority of tenancies, this legislation applies. Where an illegal eviction has occurred, the landlord could be responsible for up to €20,000 in damages to the tenant. I would advise tenants to engage with their landlords to see if they can come to some sort of accommodation arrangement in relation to the rent payable during this period. I would also advise tenants to seek social welfare rental supplement, or indeed the housing assistance payment. Tenants have an obligation to continue to pay their rent, and the landlord will be able to pursue the tenant for this rent at the end of the period. So I would like to say to anybody living in the Ballymun area, if they're having issues in relation to their tenancies, they could phone us at the Law Centre, which is 01862 5805, and we would be happy to deal with any of your queries. Thank you. Bye.